Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and if you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. So today I want to show you guys how to make this cute little booklet by folding it. It's just out of one piece of copy paper, and we only need to cut once. It's really cool. It's super fun, super easy, and they're great to add to your junk journals, to clip in there, and or put into a pocket or a belly band and decorate it, and it's just super fun. So this is just my prototype that I did, and I went ahead and did some sewing around it, but I can show you the option to wherever I sew, you can glue. Okay, so what I'm using today is a piece of just regular copy paper that goes into your copier and goes through, and I jazzed it up using some fun technique with coffee. So I will put that on the end screen and you guys come check out how to do this. It's really fun. But today we're gonna make a fun booklet with it, okay? Excuse me. So all we need to do is, we're gonna take it and fold it in half. Oh, and a bone folder helps just to get the better creases and stuff like that. But you can also use the back of your scissors if you need to. And I'll show you that. So you fold it in half, like that. You can just take your scissors and go like this with it if you don't have a bone folder. So we're just gonna fold it in half. And we're gonna take it and fold it this way. And just line it up best you can. There we go. And then we're just going to fold it on the crease right there. And then fold it one more time. So just try to keep it lined up as best as possible. And then fold it like that. Whoop! So there we go. So we have it just like this. Okay, so we unfold it. And you should have 8 squares. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 4 on the bottom. Okay, and then we're gonna fold it in half this way. Take our scissors, and we're just gonna slit on the line here, take a cut, and go all the way to the fold. This first fold right here. So just like that. That is the one cut that we do. Okay. Then you just open it up. Go like this with it. And you can see that it's naturally going to fall like that. Okay. So let me show you guys that again. So you just fold it in half. Slit to the folds. Okay. And then you can just see that you open it up. Push this together, and they want to fall just like that together. Okay? So then you're just going to take it and go like this. And you got yourselves a little booklet. Okay? So it's that easy. Is that super fun, you guys? Okay, and then you can just see, you know, how you folded it. That's why we got to kind of just line it up as you're folding it. But I am going to sew it, and I'll show you guys. I'll take you guys to the sewing machine. And like I said, anywhere that I am sewing, you could just glue. So it's pretty fun. So look at that. Is that cool? So we got page, 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 and a page. So there we go. So I will meet you guys at the sewing machine, and we'll go from there. We are at the sewing machine, and what we're gonna do is, I'm just gonna go ahead and open the first page. So this is the first page, or you know what, I want this to be the cover, but it doesn't matter either way. So I'm just gonna open this like that, and go ahead and run I'm just doing a straight stitch on it. So I'm just gonna run a straight stitch right down the middle here. Now, the thing is, if you want to make pockets in this, you could go ahead and not sew the top of it, and then you'll have a cute little pocket that you can put stuff in and out. So, you know, keep that in mind to see if you want to do that or not. But I'm going to go ahead and just sew everything around. Okay, and then I'm just going to sew right up the middle here. And there we go. We got ourselves a cute little booklet. And then you could sew in the middle here if you want to. So I got some fun things to decorate our cute little journal here. So I just have some ticket and stuff, little stamps. And I'll make sure to put this down into my Amazon links. You guys come check it out. Remind me if I don't. If I forget to do that, just comment down below and I'll remember to get it down there for you guys. So I got this one. Put it here. And I'm just using black soot. Should have enough ink on there. I just put ink on my pad here. So I'm just kind of doing some interest stamping. I don't want it to be upside down, but I don't think it matters. Oh, I like that. That's kind of fun. So if you guys are enjoying this video, please hit the like button. That helps me out so, so much. It gets my video out there more for other people to see how to make this cute little booklet here out of, I mean, it's just a piece of copy paper and you just do one cut and some folds. And then you can sew, you know. I just like the sewing. I think it's fun. But like I said, you could just take it and glue around just like that. And then you keep the top open, have a pocket. And then I think this one does where it's open here, and then it's closed down here. So you could sew it here, here, and have a side pocket where you can slide things in and out. So you could just look at it and see and go, oh yeah, I want to have some fun little just interactive pockets and stuff. So that would be kind of cool. Okay, so what I have here is just a snippet that I did with you guys. Just some fun fabric that I sewed all together. And just pieces of fabric. So I got a piece of it here. And I want to add that to the cover. Just to put this here. Put down some dyed. I did some Rit dye and some coffee dyed on some cheesecloth. So I just want to put that down. Like that. And then I got some fun, just threads. That's why I always tell you guys, keep your threads. My goodness. They're so much fun, and you could just, they're great for clusters. That's mainly what I use them for. So like, this could go back behind here. And I love all the colors in it. It just matches throughout. So that's why I just keep, I keep everything. I know. I know. I mean, who else? Who else keeps everything? And just has, like, I have a pile of, like, cereal boxes, mac and cheese box, and Ritz boxes, and food, you know, food boxes like that. And then I have tons of paper bags, tons of mailers, Amazon mailers, tons of fabric, tons of paper. It's just like, nope, Don't throw it away. It's funny, everybody asks me, you know, my son and my husband, they're like, do I throw this away? Did you want me to throw this away? And I'm like, nope. I'm like, I get to a point though, you know, you're like, okay, if I got like so many of it, we got to get rid of it. Or at least recycle it. Okay. I'd love to hear in the comments. Do you guys do the same thing? Oh my goodness. I can't be the only one. Okay. So there. And I want to make sure the ticket shows a little bit. So I'm just going to go ahead and glue all this together. And I'm just using Fabrifix glue. All right. I really love that. I'm not sure that where ticket shows right there. Pushing that over. So what do you guys think? Is that fun? So this is just a bunch of scraps that I had and just made a fun little cover. And then we can just go throughout. And I got my little birds here. These are fun to play with. We can just go through and just do some stamping. And I like how they're light enough, you could just journal right over the top of them. So that's kind of fun. Oops, I set that on the table. Whoops. For this adventure with you, let's do that one. I like that. Here, I got a small one too. That's cute. So it's fun just to go through and, you know, get your stamps out. See some fun little things you can do. I don't think we did this one yet. This little guy just sitting high up in a branch, loving life. Isn't that cute? Oh, I'll put these down in my links too. I know I have this too. Just Amazon. Super fun. Did I just do that little guy? I did, didn't I? Oh, that's okay. I'll do another one. Can't have too many birds. And it goes great with the way the paper's dyed and stuff. I think it looks really nice. Okay. sure we're going to repeat here, but that's okay. So this is just so much fun where you just have your some copy paper that you just I'll put them in the middle, that you just fold up and add it to a little journal. Like this would be great to just you could take it and clip it in with a paper clip. You know, you can just take your paper clip and clip it in the inside of your journal like that, or you can add it to some pockets. Yeah, like a fun little pocket that you put it in. You could take it and do some double-sided washi tape, or I mean not double-sided, but some washi tape, and just tape it in there and have it so it's just a little flip. You know, you could do like a little fun little flip out booklet. Belly bands, you could put it in there. I mean, there's just so many endless possibilities. Or just keep it and have it to, you know, put little notes on in and stuff, you know. Like I love having things just out by my chair, my recliner where I relax and stuff, and I always want something to grab just to write notes in, or, you know, maybe some video ideas for you guys or something. I always have something like that, and then I could just take it and just jot down some ideas. And so this is just great. Keep it in your purse and have a grocery list with it, or, you know, different things like that. Like this is just that easy to make and fun and cute, and, you know, I love it. I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informational. And if you could please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting.